And this is how it looks together with the frames that I made in my last video. And those little lights, they were in my daughter's room, but they have new lights. So I'm just, using those for now until I fix it up. And this is the desk. Well, the desk that I turned into a vanity, and then I decided to use it as my war room desk because I really don't do makeup, guys. So I just decided to put it all together in this little section. So that's how it looks for now till I fix it up and put my bookshelf next to it.